Unlock your earnings potential joining the Walmart program affiliate. Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I talk about Walmart affiliate program and how to earn money from it. For people who don't know what Walmart affiliate program is, it's a marketing initiative offered by Walmart that allows you to earn commission by promoting Walmart products on your website, blog, or social media channels. Participants in the program known as affiliates receive unique tracking links that they can use to promote Walmart's vast range of products. When a customer makes a purchase through an affiliate's link, the affiliate earns a commission on the sale. The program provides affiliates with access to various marketing tools, reporting dashboards, and support resources to help you to succeed in promoting Walmart products and maximizing your earning. First of all, you need to open your web browser and navigate to the Walmart by typing walmart.com. As you can see, Walmart is offering a range of products every day, including groceries, clothing, electronics, and more with low prices. And as I mentioned earlier, you can earn money through the Walmart affiliate program by promoting Walmart products on your website, blog, social media channel. But how we can do that? So, wherever you are, wherever the country you come from, you can become a Walmart affiliate. So let's talk more about affiliate program. For that, you can come to this webpage, which is affiliates.walmart.com. Here we have a lot of information. If you want more details about the affiliate program, let's see what we have here. Then you have here, you will earn commissions by becoming a Walmart affiliates. Then how? By signing up in this website. Let's see what we have here. When you scroll down, we have the step. First step is when you get started by signing up, you will then connect your audience to products they love. Then you will get your profile. As you can see here, there is some advantages if you became a member on the affiliate. You will receive, for example, a weekly newsletter with banners, links, and whatever. And also, you'll also receive access to the affiliate member center, and you'll also have the support of the Walmart.com affiliate account members. So here we have other information about the website. We have here the security and privacy terms and conditions. As you can see, let's check what we got here in privacy and security. As you can see, if you want more information or more understanding the website, you can just read this options. And also we have here frequently asked questions. Here we have questions and their answers, just in case you want to learn about this website. So coming back to the home page, as we said, if you want to be a member of this affiliate program, you need just to sign up by clicking here, sign up, and then you will get to, as we said, you will fill in your information, your personal information, fill in your first name, your last name, your email, confirm your email address, and then you write your username, your password, and you confirm your password. Then you will fill out your company information. For example, your account display name, your website, your street address, the apartment or street. It's an optional field. And here we have city, state, and your zip code, country. phone number, time zone, and currency. Then the final one is promotion and media. Here you will select which main promotional method you want and which your secondary promotional method you want, and also your promoting countries. So when you're choosing your promotional method, be sure that you choose the right one you want. And to more understand, I will, for example, select here, for example, email marketing. Here we have in the main promotional method, we have here content reviews, deal coupon, loyalty rewards, social influencer, network, commerce solution, media arbitrage, and cross audience monetization. And after you choose the one you want on the main promotional method, you will come here and select which one. For example, as I said, your email marketing. For example, you choose this one. If you have an email list, you can promote Walmart's product to your subscribers through targeted email campaigns, crash compelling email newsletters, or product recommendations that encourage subscribers to click on your affiliate links and make purchases. The same thing, for example, for example, let's see what we have here. For example, social media influencer can utilize your social media channels such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest to promote Walmart's products and share it or share affiliate links along with engagement captions, images, or videos that highlight the benefits or features of the products you're promoting. Um, Once you've entered all the required information, review your application to ensure everything is accurate. To submit your application for review, after submitting your application, you'll need to wait for Walmart to review and approve it. This process may take some time, so be patient. Once your application is approved, you'll receive access to your affiliate dashboard. Here you'll find tools and resources to help you get started with promoting Walmart products and tracking your earning. Then, with your account approved and dashboard access granted, you can begin promoting Walmart products on your website, blogs, or social media channels using the affiliate links provided in your dashboard. By following this step, you can sign up for the Walmart affiliate program and start earning money by promoting Walmart product online. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.